2005 Honda Pilot cabin air filter replacement, just behind the glove box. You need to pull those clips out of there. You squeeze that. That's what it looks like using a screwdriver. There we go. And believe it or not, they do apparently recommend cutting through this bar to get the cabin air filter out. Okay, as we can see, someone has already cut the plastic piece that was in the way over here. So we'll just be taking the screws out. Right there, right there. We'll get that metal bar out of the way, and we'll get this out. Okay, I did have to take out this piece right here. Not too much to it, just kind of clips in place. And there's a little black piece that fits in here. Ta-da! Not a huge deal, just kind of a friction fit. Back there on a screw. Right there. And you get up here and there's a screw for the glove box. So, there we go. Got the two screws out here. Got those thingies off, got the glove box off. Someone already cut it. I didn't have to cut it.
We'll probably get in there, it'll probably be clean.
And probably 8mm bolt here. I already got the Phillips out. And over there. Get the metal bracket out. Alright, we got the metal bar dropped out of the way. We can get this thing off. It's kind of a clip deal. Goes on the top. And you can just see that little notch on there. I'm sure there's a notch on the bottom too. Probably. So here we are. It's dirty. Not too bad. I think someone's been here before. But that's all there is to it. Fits right in there. I'm not sure if you can see it on the video. It's not really showing up on my little screen, but it says airflow with an arrow on it. So you just want to make sure it goes in the same way. Let's see, we'll put the old one in like the new one. And the blower motor is on the right, so it gives me a good idea that it probably does blow from right to left here. So we'll put the new one in and reverse procedure to install. Get that out. Just like that. Now to put these back in, you just want to make sure this rubber piece gets on the back side of that, so you want to close it a little bit. Stick it in the hole. Ooh. You stick it in the hole and then snap it into place. Bang, snaps into place and you're done. Hope that helps you out.